Assalamu alaikum. This is the Advanced Comparative Constitutional Advocate Kulreez King. Today is the 10th of the October, and I would be addressing again a lot of the issues, especially in connection with the humans in the Pakistan, that which are the elements leading the humans into the multi-dimensional disorders in Pakistan. First, we have to observe that whether we are deliberately understanding the rights of the humans or not. So when it comes to get marital resolutions in Pakistan, a lot of the males and females get confused regarding the execution of the both. So meanwhile, which are the primary ingredients lead the human beings into the multi-dimensional disorders and dysfunctional types of the issues in the Pakistan. A lot of the females which have not become married, and such females want to have a proper resolutions regarding the marital resolutions in Pakistan, are becoming a byproduct of the vagabond approved criminal of the state, and thereafter we have to deliberately understand that which are the elements leading the human beings into the miserable multiple challenges in the Pakistan and the other reciprocating countries of the globe. So we are not deliberately understanding these issues. The 95% of the human beings in Pakistan are deliberately destroying the career of each other in the pretext of their leading resolutions. The restitution of the conjugal rights appears to be the top listed issue in the Pakistan. A lot of the females do not want to get repatriated after resoluting or after producing a lot of the children, and a lot of the males who are subjected with the erroneous errors of the educations are not willing to get education in Pakistan because they don't like to get modified their thoughts. So meanwhile, these are the issues, and when I observe the ground fiscal resolutions of the females in Pakistan, such females are subjected with erroneous activities. I pray that such females should have a better position in Pakistan, but the males of the such females are not willing to tolerate such females in a resolutionary points. And when I found that the males in Pakistan, they have groomed so negativity, they have negativity, especially the political agents of the parties. Such parties are providing coast-negated, transitionally negated tongue users in the public sector, having a talkative behavior, providing no sufficient reliable resolutions to the public, and a lot of the females become subjected with the erroneous errors, and these are the sole ground reasons which are projecting in the public sector. A lot of females are getting old, victimized by the social penetration of the males. Social penetration means such offenses which have nothing to do with the lives of the females, and such females do not have a sufficient reliable guidelines of the humanity, and a lot of the groups of the males, they are just using and mobilizing the females in Pakistan as an offense that is called the patriarchy. And a lot of the males, they don't have the sufficient reliable cogent reason as to provide the shelter to the females. So when I observe a lot of the ground fiscal challenges regarding the lives of the females, I was totally out of my memory as to understand that the males. So these are the confrontational judicial issues in the Pakistan which are subjected with the humans, that the humans are not willing to tolerate that, whether they are subjected with the moderate lines of assessment to the marital resolutions. Number 2, the marital resolutions. Number 3, the restitution of the conjugal rights. Number 4, the observation of the intellectual thought. Number 5, to dealing with the economical resolutions. Number 6, to provide the shelter in convenient ways for a reformative method of household appliances matters. So the fiscal policies are out of order because of the political patriarchy in Pakistan, and a lot of the males are becoming social victimized. The females are working very hard in order to provide them a proper reconciled way of living standards. A lot of the working class of the females are being socially disturbed, mentally challenged by the groups of the males, and such society which such female keeps for the time being always become a a moment of injury in her mind, and that's the way we are observing a lot of the females in Pakistan to be redressal of doubt in the communal communities, which are not subjected to provide the resolutionary points. So the society is not willing to observe that whether the females are subjected with the operative parts of the functional leaves, and there is a equitable mismanagement or disadvantaged rights of the both sectors, which they don't have, to eliminate the sectors of the enmity, jealousy, fear. These elements are also causing multiple disorder among the institutions and the groups of the individuals, human beings. They don't have the cogent reason as to live in an amicable way of resolution in the Pakistan or either the reciprocating countries. So meanwhile, if they don't have the sufficient reason as to provide them the both things, they would be. So the education and the other departments under section 236I, the education department, have become, under the income tax ordinance 2001, the business enterprises in Pakistan. So they don't have provide the cogent reasons for the education means to the individuals, and that's why the divorces are being observed in the public sector. I'm not sad, I'm observing these confrontational constitutional issues of the human beings under Article 199 and Article 187. A lot of the human beings are subjected with these erroneous errors in the public sector, and they don't have a sufficient cogent reason as to live under the amicable resolutions. So I have time issues. Stay blessed. Advanced comparative constitutional advocate. Good day, King.